Hi, I'm Erin McNamara with DigitalTrends.com. In the past, manufacturers have found some pretty miserable ways to spice up something as basic as a keyboard, sacrificing comfort, practicality, and usability for good looks. But in the case of this Logitech Illuminated Keyboard, a quality typing experience doesn't have to disappear in the name of style. The print on each of these keys has been laser etched with a process that leaves it translucent. In the day, it just appears white, but at night, LED lights below each key illuminate them from behind, providing a cool aesthetic effect and making it easier to type in the dark. We liked how low effort the keystrokes are, and the ability to adjust it with this brightness key in the corner is a nice touch. Besides the lights, you'll also notice how thin this keyboard is, just 9.3 millimeters thick. This makes typing feel a lot like typing on a laptop thanks to the fairly short keystrokes. While this is largely a matter of taste, we liked the smooth feel of the press, snappy return, and quiet operation, which is especially important for a keyboard designed to be used a lot at night. Our only real complaint about the Logitech Illuminated Keyboard stems from these stubby little legs. They don't really provide enough to lift the keyboard to a comfortable angle. While you can easily shim them up on your own, we would have preferred a built-in solution. At $80 US, you're definitely paying the premium for the backlighting effect. But we feel with the overall build quality and the consistent operation, make it a sound investment. If you're looking for a keyboard to subtly spice up your desk without sacrificing any usability, the Logitech Illuminated Keyboard hits the mark. Thanks for watching, and I'm Erin McNamara.